Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to add in ad breaks in your YouTube videos. So the minimum requirement for ad breaks is 10 minutes. Today I just uploaded this new video and it happens to be over 10 minutes. So let's head over to monetization. It will show you the monetization ad formats you can be using. And down here below is the ad breaks. So to manually insert in your ad, you can drag this blue bar down here. Say you want to add an ad break at 4 minutes and 34 seconds. You drag the bar to here and then insert ad. And now you have an ad break. So when a viewer watches towards the 4 minute 34 seconds mark, it will display the new ad. And you can have one right here, and there's also automatic ad breaks placement, but it is only available after 2 hours once YouTube processes your video, and then it can suggest you a placement. And that's why 10-minute videos or more is popular on YouTube, because the ability to add in these ad breaks. And you can add in a lot of ad breaks. If you add in too many ad breaks, that can annoy the viewers. And say you want to edit these ad breaks, you want to remove them or change the time, you can do it so right here by clicking on edit ad breaks in bulk. So right now these are the ones, the minutes and the seconds. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's delete them all so I can start over and then click on edit ad breaks. Anyways, I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube marketing tips and tricks. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.